Volkswagen unveiled a new variant of the ID.7 Sedan at the ID.Treffen electric car enthusiasts gathering in Locarno, Switzerland. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. The ID.X Performance, compared to the standard ID.X model, not only features a different body kit, but also electric motors with a combined output of 558 horsepower. The ID.X is expected to become a production model in the coming years. The Volkswagen ID.X Performance has a striking appearance thanks to its aerodynamic body kit with prominent air intakes, a massive rear spoiler, and a new diffuser. The body kit details, including the splitter and side skirts, have red, accents that carry over into the interior design. The car's ride height has been lowered by 60 millimeters due to stiffer springs, and the front wheel track has been widened by 80 millimeters. The electric car rides on 20-inch forged wheels with sporty Michelin Pilot Sport Cup tires. Inside, in addition to the red accents, the seats feature increased side support on a carbon fiber frame. The power output of the concept car is 558 horsepower, nearly double the 286 horsepower motors available for the standard ID.7. It could potentially compete with the BMW i4 in the top M50 version, which is equipped with a 544 horsepower powertrain. Additionally, it might even rival the most powerful Tesla Model 3. In addition to more powerful motors, the ID.X Performance is equipped with a new Vehicle Dynamics Manager program that can simulate a rear differential lock. Engine settings can be adjusted from the central media display. Volkswagen has not officially announced any plans for serial production of this electric car. Nevertheless, there is a high likelihood that the ID.7 will indeed receive a sporty version in the near future. The company's management has previously stated not only their plans to release high-performance variants for each battery model, but also their desire to retain the GTI badge even when transitioning the entire model lineup to electric power. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.